Alright, now you might have just received the One UI 8.5 stable version on your Galaxy S25 series, and maybe you're excited about the airdrop support on QuickShare. And if you try to use it, it is currently not working, and you are not alone. There are many users have reported this on my channel, and even I tried using this feature, it did not work. Let me just quickly show you this. I've got an iPhone here. This is the 17 Pro Max, and let's try the QuickShare. Let me open an image in the gallery. Let me just select these couple of images, tap on share and tap on QuickShare. Now here, if I go to the settings, the share with Apple devices is already turned on. Now on the iPhone, let's go to the airdrop settings here, and I'll set it to everyone for 10 minutes. Now, iPhone is supposed to appear right here on the S25 Ultra, but that is not happening here. Let's make sure that this is enabled here, the airdrop support for everyone, and it's still not showing up here. So the airdrop support on QuickShare is not currently working on the S25 series. Whereas if you look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra here, let me just quickly show you this. I'll go to the gallery and select an image, tap on share, and tap on QuickShare, and here the iPhone should appear. There we go. So even the MacBook Pro is appearing here, but it is currently not working on the Galaxy S25 series. That's the first feature, which is not missing, I would say, but it is not currently working on the S25 series. Now, there are some of the features which are missing on the One UI 8.5 stable version for the Galaxy S25 series, and we will be discussing about them now. If you're new here on the channel, and if you want to learn your phone better, and if you want to support this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some brilliant free and premium wallpapers and amazing collections available. The link is in the description. Now let's go ahead. The first feature which is currently missing on S25 series is 25 megapixel mode on the camera application. If you go to the camera and tap on the settings, you will see camera assistant option right over here, provided you have installed camera assistant on your phone. And when you open camera assistant, we are supposed to see the 24 megapixel option right over here under the photos option here, photo section here. Now here we have got advanced resolution options. Here also it is not showing up, and on the S26 series it shows up right here on the first tab under photos. Let me just quickly show you that. This is the S26 Ultra again. Let's go to camera here, tap on the settings, and let's go to the camera assistant, and right here under photos you'll be able to see this. You can see 24 megapixel resolution. This is available, this can be enabled through the Good Lock application camera assistant, but that is not available currently on the S25 series. That's the first one. The next missing feature is horizontal lock. Now we do have super steady mode on both the Galaxy S25 series and S26 series on One UI 8.5, but the horizontal lock feature is still missing. If you go to the video mode and tap on this option right on top here, you will see horizontal lock option. This is the horizontal lock, and that is still not available on the Galaxy S25 series One UI 8.5. This feature gives us 360-degree rotation stability, which is fantastic. And this feature is expected to come to S25 series in the future. For a query, a moderator from Samsung has confirmed that this feature will be arriving on the S25 series as well. That's a good news. Let's wait and see that. I will keep you guys posted. The next missing feature on the One UI 8.5 on S25 series is improved fingerprint accuracy. Let me show you that. Let's go to the settings on both these phones, and let's go to lock screen and AOD, and here screen lock and biometrics. Now here let me tap on fingerprints. Now I have got one fingerprint on the S25 series, and I have got a couple of fingerprints on the S26 series. Let's just tap on one of them, and here you can see we have got an additional option, improve accuracy. Now this improve accuracy is not available on the S25 series One UI 8.5, only edit and remove options are there. Now here it says to improve the accuracy of fingerprint 1, scan your fingers 10 times, make sure it's the same finger you used when you registered this fingerprint. This is just to improve the fingerprint accuracy, especially if you're using a tempered glass, fingerprint recognition is always an issue, and this feature does help to some extent, and that is still missing on the S25 series. Next, we do have Finder option on the S26 series One UI 8.5, and that Finder is not available on the S25 series yet. Now instead of going to the app tray and then tapping on search, we can tap on Finder here, and instantly we can search whatever we want. We have got the search bar right over here, and we also have the mic button here. Whereas here we have to go to the app tray and tap on search. And you can also notice there is a minor difference here in the search bar. Here the search bar has got this text, what are you looking for, with this gradient color, which is not here. It is just the basic search. And it looks like this is more of a context-based search, which is available on the S26 series, which is still missing here. Now let's try that on the app tray search bar. Again, here we do have the same text here, but we do not have it on the S25 series. So that is also missing on the S25 series. Now the problem here with this Finder button on the S26 series is when you tap on that, the app search results don't show up on the top, which is a bummer. Let's say, for example, I'll try to search Google. You can see it shows calendar, my files, and all these results, galleries, settings, etc. And then comes the applications here, which is a bummer, and I don't see a settings to change this. Whereas if you go to the app tray and then search for it, now I'll search for Google, you see all the applications will appear right on top. So normally we use this option to search the applications rather than anything else. So I really wish Samsung improves this Finder. I think on One UI 9 they will be improving this Finder button. All I need is just give me the applications on top instead of these results here. Anyways, let's hope Samsung improves that. Having said all this, Finder is still missing on the One UI 8.5 on the S25 series. Now there are two more features missing. They are the AI features. Let's go to the settings and tap on Galaxy AI. I'll scroll down here. You can see we have got Now Nudge and Notification Highlights. Notification highlights will get important information quickly by prioritizing and summarizing the notifications. We've got prioritize notifications and summarize notification options. Galaxy AI will recognize those important notifications and it will show it right on top, which is fantastic. And we also have summarize notifications. This will show a short summary of conversational notifications. So these two are missing under notification highlights. And Now Nudge. Now Nudge understands what's on your screen and suggests helpful information and features. For example, if you are having a conversation with someone on a messaging application and if the other person asks for some of the photos taken in the last weekend, then automatically Now Nudge will show you a pop-up on the keyboard with a gallery icon from where you can directly access those photos taken in the last weekend. So that's a pretty cool feature, Now Nudge, which is still missing on the S25 series, and we are not very sure whether these features will arrive on the S25 series or not. As of now, 24 megapixel mode should be coming. AirDrop should start working soon. The horizontal lock is also expected to come. Improved fingerprint accuracy may come. Finder is expected to come. Now Nudge and notification highlights, we do not really know. These features may remain exclusive to the Galaxy S26 series. Now these are some of the features which are missing on the One UI 8.5 stable version on the S25 series compared to the S26 series. If I have missed out on anything, do let me know in the comment section. Share your thoughts, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and download our wallpaper application Wallverse to check out some beautiful wallpapers and use it on your Galaxy phones. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.